Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Welcome back to the video of class 4th science. So student, in the previous video, I have given you explanation of chapter number 11, that is push and pull. Today I am here to give you the remaining portion of the chapter. But before starting the book work, one more time we will just quick recap with the chapter. So please take out your book and open page number 85. So it is chapter number 11, push and pull, right? So first of all, I'll tell you the meaning of the word push and pull again. So force that changes the direction of an object towards you, that would be a pull. Okay. And on the other hand, if it moves away, it will be a push. So force can be push or pull, right? So here one let's warm up activity is given in your book, and I have given you this activity in the homework. I hope you all have done. In this activity, you have to mention whether it is pushing or pulling, right? Here also I told you that force is a push or pull. Okay, now what are the effects of force? First one, a force can make a stationary object move. Okay, number two, a force can stop a moving object. Number three, a force can change the direction of a moving object. Number four, a force can change the shape of an object. A force can make an object move faster. A force can slow down a moving object. Right, these are the effects of force. With the help of picture, it is clearly understood by you all, and I have explained you already these things in the previous video. Next one, we have discussed about kinds of forces. That also we have learned in the previous video. So there are the kinds of forces. What are the kinds of forces? Muscular force, gravitational force, frictional force, and magnetic force. Okay, so first one is your muscular force, right? So muscular force, that is exerted by the muscles, okay, when we use our muscle. Number two, that is gravitational force. Gravitational force, the force of the earth that pulls all object towards itself, right? Number third is frictional force, the force that opposes motion, okay. And the last one, magnetic force, the force exerted by a magnet on iron object, right? So this was the explanation of chapter, and new words also I have given you in homework. Now we'll start with the exercise. Number one is take the correct answer. Here for every question, four options are given. You have to find out the correct option and then you have to make a tick. Number A, the force, wait a minute. The force that tries to stop a moving object is, that is frictional force. Okay, I already told you that the force that opposes motion or it tries to stop a moving object, that is frictional force. Number B, the force exerted by the earth on all objects, that is called gravitational force. What it is called? It is called gravitational force, right? Because earth pulls all object towards itself. Number C, magnet attract iron. Okay, it does not attract plastic, neither rubber. All of these, this is wrong answer. So what is the correct one? Iron. Number 1. Number D, we are able to walk on the earth due to frictional force, right? Just because earth is having the frictional force. Okay. Number E, when you press a toothpaste tube, you are applying force to change the shape. Okay, not changing the movement, not changing the direction, you are changing the shape of the toothpaste. That also we have already discussed in the chapter, right? That you can change the shape of a toothpaste by applying force on it with your fingers. Okay, so you are changing the shape of the toothpaste. Next one, we'll start with this true and false. Here it is. Number A, force can only push objects. No, this one is false. This one is false because there are a lot of effects of force. A force can move also object, a force can stop also object, a force can change the direction of moving object, a force can change the shape also, right? So this one is false. B, friction is a force that opposes motion. Yes, this one is true. Number C, force can change the shape of some object. Yes, true. We have discussed with the example of toothpaste also, right? Now, D, the force of friction keeps us on the surface of earth. This is false. Okay. Number E, friction is less on rough surfaces. This is also false. Okay. Because friction is high on rough surfaces. Now we'll start with fill in the blanks. Number 1. Number A. Dash is a push or pull. So what is push or pull? Force. Number B. The force exerted by the earth is called gravitational force. Number C. Dash is a push or pull. That is force. So A and C, it is repeated 2 times here in your book. Okay. Number D. To make an object move faster, we need to apply force in the direction of motion of the object. Here it is written of motion of the object. Number E. To slow down a moving object, force has to apply it in the opposite direction. Okay. If you want to stop any object, you have to apply the force in the opposite direction. Now, we'll start with answer the following question. Okay. So here you can see A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, this much questions are given. So we'll start with question answers first. Afterwards, we will continue with HOTS. You can take out your writing materials and you can write down the answers. One by one, I'll read the question for you as well as the answer. Number 1 question is list the effect of force. You have to list the effects of force. It is already given in your book also. So here I have written effects of force. It can move a stationary object, right? Ball you can move. You can stop a moving object. Number C, you can change the direction of a moving object with the help of force. Number D, change shape of an object. Number E, increase or decrease the speed. All these things we have already discussed in the chapter. Okay. Now number B, what is gravitational force? Now what is gravitational force? The force of the earth that pulls all objects towards itself. That is known as gravitational force. Number 3, what is frictional force? So what is frictional force? The force that opposes motion. Okay. Number 4, what is magnetic force? Force that is exerted by a magnet. Okay. Now number 5, what is muscular force? Force exerted by the muscles. Okay, I already explained you in the chapter when we use our muscles, that force is called muscular force. And the last one, what would happen if the earth had no gravity? Right, so if earth will not have gravity, we would be floating in the air. Okay, just because of gravitational force, we attract. Okay, because earth attracts all objects toward itself, and that is called gravitational force. Now we'll start with HOTS. So here, question number 1, why does a boy walking on a road slip when he steps on a banana skin? So if you will also walk on a road and if banana peel or banana skin is there, you will also slip. So why it is so? I'll tell you the reason. Just because of friction. So friction is necessary for walking. When we step on a banana peel, it reduces the friction between the feet and the surface. This is the reason why we sleep when we step on a banana peel. Okay. Now number 2, which force according to you holds the Earth's atmosphere in place? So gravitational force, right? Gravitational force. Because this is the force of the earth that pulls all object towards itself. Okay, so student, we have completed the whole chapter. Only just for fun is remaining, which is on page number 89. Again, I'll show you this one. This you can do by yourself. Okay. Now in the next video, we'll meet again with a new chapter. Till then, all of you keep learning and Enjoy at your home also, okay? And every day is a chance to learn. So keep learning, 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 and growing. Thank you so much.